Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Sigma Trend Protocol EA, also known as STP EA, and which is available for MT4 on the MQL5 Marketplace. All right. Right away on the product page, we can see that this is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Bashir Abdi Jama. The current listed version is 1.0. It comes with 5 activations and it is currently priced at 25,000 US dollars. Now, one of the first things the developer emphasizes on the page is a warning regarding unofficial copies of the software. Okay. According to the description, the developer states that only the versions distributed through the official MQL5 Marketplace listings are supported, and any versions sold elsewhere should be treated as unauthorized copies. Moving into the actual product description, Sigma Trend Protocol EA is presented as a rule-based expert advisor designed for XAU-USD, GBP-JPY, and selected indices including US 30, GER 40, and US 100. The developer specifically states that the EA does not use martingale, grid trading, or arbitrage techniques. The product is distributed as a compiled EX4 file and does not rely on DLL calls. As I continue through the marketplace page, the overall approach described here focuses on selective trade entries using multiple layers of confirmation. The developer mentions confirmations related to market regime, direction, and timing before trades are allowed to trigger. While the core logic remains proprietary, the description provides a good overview of the framework used by the system. Risk management appears to be a major focus of this EA. The page highlights fixed risk per trade along with hard stop loss and take profit levels. There are also daily and weekly equity protection measures as well as exposure limits designed to control overall account risk. Now, position sizing is percentage based and incorporates volatility awareness according to the developer's description. The trade management section includes several automated features. These include partial take profit functionality, break-even adjustments, and trailing mechanisms that help manage positions after entry. The EA also incorporates execution controls such as session filters, spread filters, slippage handling, and Friday protection settings. Looking at the user controls section, traders can adjust risk percentage per trade, daily and weekly loss limits, maximum exposure, partial take profit parameters, trailing settings, trading sessions, spread limits, and optional time-based exits. The developer notes that the inputs are organized and documented while the underlying strategy logic remains proprietary. Further down the page, the developer provides recommended deployment information. The included preset files are designed for XAU-USD on M5 and M15 time frames. You can see with mention that users may also test GBP-JPY on M5. These are the primary symbol and time frame combinations referenced throughout the product description. Now let us move over to the backtesting section and take a look at the historical testing results. All right, let's start by looking at what is displayed here. Okay, we just have the trade history, and this is showing the EA in action. Okay. All right, there seem to be no strategy tester reports displayed here. Okay, so we're just going to head over to our strategy tester right away. So we are testing the Sigma Trend Protocol EA on XAU USD on the H1 time frame. We are using the every tick modeling, and we are testing over the past 3 months. Now, looking at the report, initial deposit is $10,000. Total net profit was just 73.81. The total trades taken were 33, out of which 23 were profitable, giving us a 69.7% win rate. The largest profit was $93.08. Largest loss was 75.17. Average profit 18.83. Average loss 35.94. So this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. It's really bad. The difference between the average profit and the average loss is quite much. But let's go turn on the visuals. Let's also look at the EA in action. All right. So as I review the backtest reports and the chart history, it is important to evaluate the results within the context of the information provided by the developer. Since the EA is built around selective entries and multiple confirmation layers, the historical activity appears intended to focus on quality setups rather than constant market exposure. All right. So looking through the chart history, the position management features described earlier, including partial profit taking, break-even adjustments, and trading functionality, are all elements that can influence how trades ultimately develop throughout a testing period. The exact internal decision-making process isn't disclosed, so the focus here is on observing the historical behavior rather than attempting to reverse engineer the proprietary logic. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing over extended periods can reveal how the system responds to changing volatility, trends, and execution environments. When discussing the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that these are historical backtest results only. Actual performance can vary depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, liquidity conditions, risk settings, lot sizing choices, and any optimization adjustments made by the user. Overall, the Sigma Trend Protocol EA presents itself as a structured MT4 trading system focused on rule-based execution, predefined risk controls, and disciplined trade management. The inclusion of symbol-specific presets, exposure controls, and multiple risk management layers will likely be of interest to traders who prioritize consistency and account protection. As always, independent testing and optimization should be completed before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.